Alright, welcome to the new Newmar Baystar 3124. So they have done a lot of improvements on this rig. Of course, you got your side view cameras there. I like that a lot. And we will go through the bays here, and then I'll take you inside and show you. So here's the main open bay. So this is a good storage area, and here's one of the bigger upgrades. So they have added the Truma AquaGo system to all the Newmars, and we had to have that factory or secondhand installed after the fact. So I think that is really cool. Here's some of your tanks. As you can see, you got plenty of storage on this guy. There's your generator. It does come with an onboard Onan 5500 watt generator, which is exactly what ours had as well. So again, that's really nice. They have opened this up just a little bit, so the storage through here does appear to be a little bit better, but still not true pass-through. Not a huge fan of that. You do have your outdoor television, which is good. Now we'll go around to the other side before we go in. Nice wheels on this. These all come with the Michelin tires. Here's your propane cylinder. This should be a 40-pounder on board that lasts for a pretty good long time. And they have switched from the interstate batteries to the golf cart batteries, which I do think that is a huge plus. I think that will work a lot better. But as you can see, just a ton of open storage and space. Here's your wet bay. And of course, back on this side, you got your sewer drain. And here is where your actual sewer hose will go. So they got a compartment for that. And this does have the equalizer leveling system, plenty of cord. So again, a lot of the same layout, but just a few different nicer features on the outside. And now we will make our way inside. So here you got your electric steps that come down. And they have changed a lot of this right here, so they've moved some lighting. So this is going to look a lot better. Very nice sink. They added your fan here, so instead of having it hanging on the wall as a remote, now it's just a push button hanging on the wall. You got plenty of kitchen storage in here. I like this oven, that's really nice, and I like that this comes down flat. And they got the Whirlpool microwave, and I'm glad to see they finally matched it up with the refrigerator and went Whirlpool on it as well. And here's what this looks like from the inside. So residential fridge, and it's got plenty of inverter out there to run this, and with those new batteries that'll be a lot better. Plenty of freezer space, and it does appear to have an ice maker up there as well, so that's nice. We'll keep on trekking through to the back. So here's some of your lighting now. They got that put on the wall instead of up front. The shower looks pretty much the same. I don't like the wasted space back here. We actually built some shelving in before that, so kind of some wasted space, but not too bad. Here's the shower. Plenty of room in the shower. I can attest to that one because I use it every day. Got your sink, medicine cabinet. You got your more storage back here, and this should be your electrical area. And you have lost a little bit of room there, so, but I think that's got to do with just a few added features on the rig. So now we'll scroll on back to the bedroom. You got a full king size bed. Something huge that they have added on is they've added outlets here, which I think that is a massive add-on. You got some storage underneath there, storage up above, and again on the other side of the bed you've got your outlets again and more storage, which is really good. They've added in this back window. I really like that. I think that's incredible. Now to something that I do not care much for is they changed the layout of the storage for the room area. So your TV is now on the end. That does not pull out, so the person on the left side of the bed may have a hard time watching it. Ours is in the center. I like that a lot more. But it does give you a bigger cabinet area here, but you don't have like the his and hers anymore. Now it's all just one. You got plenty of storage underneath. Of course, all your light switches are here. Got your pantry area. which that's pretty nice. And you got your slide out pantry area here, which that's really nice. You got the dinette set, which this is the area I removed and put a desk in, but you do have that. You got the light switch on the wall. Do not have the outlet over here no more, so you have lost an outlet there. But you do have an outlet here and here, which we have both of those as well. And then you've got the couch that I'm going to assume this turns into a bunk like most of them. And I'm not a huge fan of that. I would rather have a theater seating and a couple of end tables, but you know, it's all right. Got more switches up here, and of course more storage above. We do not have this storage in ours, I don't think, above. If we do, I don't use it. Of course, you got your Dometic air conditioning control switch, and the air conditioning in this thing, it is 50 amp rig, and it's got ducted AC all the way through the back, so you're going to go good with that. And then you got your TV on the front, and again, this TV's not on a swivel. I do wish they would put them on a swivel, but you got your control systems over here, your Bose stereo speaker over here. So overall, not a bad rig at all. You can see all the different components of the front here. You do got your equalizer system, smart leveling, so that's always a good plus. But overall, a very nice rig. Again, not a big fan of the colors and a few of the changes, but a huge fan of some of the changes. And you do have your line guard antenna control over here as well, so they have made that fully electric. And then last but not least, here's all your main controls. So this is for your tank levels, this is for your Trima system, battery disconnect, and your slides, and just a few other things here. So pretty good, and this does come equipped with heating pads for the tank, so that's even better.